Here are the first 4 terms of a quadratic sequence. 7, 18, 33, 52. We want to find the nth term. So we first of all want to find out the first differences between each of these. So the difference between 7 and 18 is 11. Between 11 and 33 is 15. And between 33 and 52 is 19. We will now find the second difference between those. The difference between 11 and 15 is 4. The difference between 15 and 19 is 4. And these should always be the same for a quadratic sequence. We then need to remember that this first term here, that's always going to be equal to 2a. This term here is always going to be equal to 3a plus b. And this number here is going to be equal to a plus b plus c, where a, b and c are the coefficients of your quadratic sequence. So an squared plus bn plus c. We're just going to use the information over here to work out what a, b and c are, and that will be our answer. So 2a equals 4, which means that a is 2. So straight away we know a is 2. Coming up to here now, if a is 2, then we know that 3a is 6. So 6 plus b equals 11. So b has to be 5. 6 plus 5 is 11. So we know b is 5. And then finally, coming up here, we've got a, which we know is 2, plus b, which we know is 5. So 2 plus 5 is 7. 7 plus c equals 7, which means that c must be 0. 7 plus 0 is 7. So c is 0, so actually I don't need to add a 0 in here, so this is my final answer, 2n squared plus 5n. And you could do a little check there. For example, if we checked the fourth term, if I did 2 times 4 squared, or 4 squared is 16, times 2 is 32. Then I do 5 times 4, which is 20. 32 plus 20 does equal 52. So this is correct.